garbage which you talk is great for operations and compliance, but it is really a garbage for me in most cases for analytics and AI unless I refine it, unless I standardize it, I format it, I process it, I structure it so that I can use it for my analytics and AI. So that's my definition of.
I love the analogy. I love the analogy, really. It sticks with you. Wonderful. I know you're a book author. Okay. No wonder you have the ways to put complex terms into the simple, the understandable terms. That's great. That's great. Can we start maybe unpeeling? We're not going
Yeah.
to do the whole work, of course, in 30 minutes. But the whole point is, yes, now we realize that garbage is basically, it's the data that's not ready for your analytics and AI engines. And got it. I'm convinced now, right, what leaders should think about, when they approach the data, because we know how many legacy applications out there in mid-sized to large companies, right? We know the amount of data they're all collecting for no reason. You mentioned operation compliance for sure, customers, right? Don't forget customer
Hmm.
service, right? All
Hmm.
that data, right? So could you please start unpeeling some of the layers that people can start thinking a little more productive instead of just being overwhelmed by
Yeah.
what's happening?
So yeah, that's a great point. The first thing is, some of the misconceptions or the myths
Mhm.
associated with data quality for AI. The first myth is it's data quality or getting data quality. There is more value if you are proactive than if you are reactive. So in my book on data quality, which is behind, I use the rule called 1-10-100 data quality rule. So what does this mean? If you are proactive and if the person working on the data is able to fix the data himself, that's going to cost 1x the cost. For some reason I miss it and my colleague is able to fix it, so that's going to cost 10x the amount, but it's within the company. But if both of us miss it and the customer catches it, so that means there is 100x the cost. So that's what I call it as 1-10-100 data quality rule. So that means for the companies there is an option. Either you can be proactive and train people like me so that I'm getting the better tools, governance, and everything, so that the company spends 1x the cost, or else you be reactive and ready to spend 100x the cost.